a sandy desert town. But the hottest news around was a crazy man. People laughed and they would joke about Noah, his old boat, about a flood he said would wash them all away. Cause the world was full of sin, God's patience at an end. So he said the flood of floods would soon begin. People came around each day, watching Noah's ark being made. But they never thought they'd see it float away. They said, Noah, it's not raining. Turn your eyes to that blue sky, it's not raining. They said, Noah, you must be crazy. There's no water on the ground and it's not raining. So he built his ark for God. 2 by 2 he had it stopped to start the world all over once again. Every day the sun came up, Noah prayed the Lord to touch the hearts of a world that soon were doomed to die. Then one day the storm clouds came, 40 days and 40 nights of rain. And Noah seen the rage of a jealous king. And they said, Noah, let me in. The rain is pouring down, I can't swim. They said, Noah, you're not crazy. There's water everywhere, Lord have mercy. Now the Lord's coming back someday to take his children away, like he did old Noah long ago. Don't be caught like people in the flood, screaming for mercy to God above. They waited too long, now hell is their new home. And they cried, Noah, let me in. The rain is pouring down, I can't swim. And they cried, Noah, you're not crazy. There's water everywhere, Lord have mercy. All right. And they cried, Noah, and they cried, Noah, and they cried, Noah, Noah, Noah. Will you please, please let